Today I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance light in your Honda Element. If you are new here, I'm an actual working tech that makes how-to videos that are straight to the point. Now let's jump into it. What you're going to do is you're going to press and hold the select reset button at the same time as turning the ignition on 2 clicks. So to the run position, you're going to wait for that maintenance required light to go out, and then you're done. Now you can turn the key off, fire it back up, maintenance required light is out. If this video helped you at all, go ahead and give this video a like. Consider subscribing to the channel.